Fellow educators and esteemed members of the Camden City Education Association, I'm honored to stand before you today as a candidate for the position of CEA president. My name is Marisol Chorenzo, and I'm deeply committed to serving our union and advocating for the rights and well being of all of our members. One of the fundamental pillars of a strong union is effective communication. Without it, we cannot truly represent the interests of our members or foster a sense of unity and solidarity. That is why, if elected, I will prioritize enhancing communication and transparency within our union. Effective communication means keeping all members informed about union activities, negotiations, and decisions that impact our professional lives. To achieve this, I will establish regular channels for open dialogue, including town hall meetings, newsletters, and online forums. These platforms will provide opportunities for every member to voice their concerns, share their perspectives, and stay updated on important developments. Transparency will be non negotiable under my leadership. Every member deserves to understand the rationale behind union actions and decisions, whether it's regarding negotiations, budget allocations, or policy changes. I will ensure that information is communicated clearly and openly. Transparency builds trust and strengthens our union from within. I recognize that fostering a culture of communication and transparency requires dedication and accountability. As your president, I will lead by example, actively seeking input from members, listening to their feedback, and being transparent about the decision making process. Together, we can build a stronger, more united CEA that empowers and supports all members. I invite you to join me in this endeavor as we work towards a brighter future for our profession and our community. Thank you for your time, support, and consideration. Vote for me, Marisol Chorensuk, for CEA President, spot number 2. God bless and have a good night.